Diversified developments are in need to realize the economy's taking off, so that we have to attach great importance to the marine business. Focusing on the future marine business, China Petroleum Pipeline Bureau built CPP601 pipeline crane barge with all efforts. CPP601 is a special workboat for offshore constructions. It's scientifically designed and meticulously assembled to perform three major functions, include lifting, submarine pipelaying, and to be as a mobile hotel. CPP601 is registered as a Hong Kong ship, thus to gain support from the ship management experience and the powerful information platform of Hong Kong, and to sail to any country or region in the world freely at the same time. In addition, CPP601 has joined the ABS Classification Society, which is among the world's top 10. To ensure safety and reliability, main application apparatus, security and life-saving systems of the barge are all under strict supervision and acceptance of ABS. Relying on the good credibility of ABS Classification Society, while entering any navigation zone, CPP601 could pass the relevant tests easily and quickly. CPP601 pipeline crane barge is 121.2 meters long, 36 meters wide, with a molded depth of 9.6 meters and a design draft of 6.5 meters. The barge is divided into three parts as the deck area, machinery area, and functional area. It could accommodate 376 people for working and living. The barge is equipped with desalination, sewage disposal, waste incineration devices, and freezers. It will proceed real-time monitoring of the seawater quality during the voyage. CPP601 could realize green construction of marine pipelines by using all the facilities effectively. Life-saving supplies are available in the working areas, functional rooms, and dormitories. When the barge is at risk, the alarm system, fire emergency system, and lifeboats, life rafts, will all launch immediately. The offshore operation risks are totally under control by the scientific and careful security management mechanism, so life security of all staffs on board are ensured to the maximum degree. There are wheelhouses in each end of Deck D. The bow bridge is in charge for the motions of the barge and communication, while the stern cabin is the brain of submarine pipeline laying, mainly in charge for anchoring and shifting of the barge, monitoring of the pipeline operations, and commanding for the settlement of pipelines. Pipeline constructions are performed on the main deck, and the major equipment are 1,600-ton jeep crane, 30-ton crane, 6 50-ton port cranes, pipeline operation line, beveling machine, CRC automatic welding machine, sand blasting machine, oil injecting machine, tensioner, stinger, and the AR winch for emergency pile discarding. During the pipeline operation, the pipes that are stacked on the main deck will be lifted to the pipeline operation line by the cranes. Under manual operations, the pipes are grooved and horizontally moved, and then enter the main operation line. There are 7 workstations in the main operation line to perform grooving and welding, joint detection, sand blasting, anti-corrosion and crack fixing, oil injection and filling to the piles. When all the processes are completed, the barge will go forward by anchoring and shifting, and the pipes will be moved to the stinger in the stern. After using longitudinal ups and downs of the stinger to determine the entry angle, the pipes will be sent underwater. During the operation, 2 tensioners will always exert pressure on the pipes for the sake to fasten the pipes and to avoid excursion of the angle of entry. When the pipes are being settled underwater, anchoring and shifting is the key link. CPP601 is equipped with 10 anchors. 2 of them are mooring anchors used for barge coilings. The other 8 are positioning anchors, distributed in the fore and aft ends of the barge, mainly in charge of the synchronized movement and positioning of the barge when the pipes are being settled on the water. The positioning anchors are connected to the winch by mooring rope and will function through the interworking of the operation devices such as the control center and the anchor bolt, etc. When pipes are being settled, based on the position of the barge, the control center will grasp the current channel and routing by the monitoring data, command the 8 positioning anchors to release or draw back the rope cooperatively to realize movement and positioning of the barge, and finally ensure that the pipes are settled on the water accurately. The AR winch will play an important role when the barge encounters severe weather and pipe discarding is in need. In the pipe discarding operation, the pipes will be temporarily blocked with plugs and connected to the AR winch by mooring rope. After the loosening of the 2 tensioners, the AR winch will draw the pipes into water, thus to avoid the problems such as welding junction cracks and twisting of the ropes that may happen while entering water without traction. The barge will install marine floats in each end of the traction rope. After the rest, the barge will find the discarded pipes according to the floats, then to take them back on board. The CPP601 pipeline crane barge could lay large diameter pipelines from 6 to 60 inches. Furthermore, the barge could undertake lifting construction works. Its 1,600-ton jeep crane could lift 1,600 tons vertically in maximum with its tail fixed, and to lift 1,200 tons when it's rotating. The functional areas of the barge are managed as a hotel. The barge contains 84 quadruple rooms, 16 double rooms, and 8 single rooms. Private bathroom and hot shower for 24 hours are available. All rooms are cleaned on day basis to ensure tidiness and comfortable accommodation environment. The main conference room on Deck A could hold 50 people and is capable of meeting the requirement of daily meetings. The small conference room on Deck B could hold 8 to 10 people, mainly used for guests. Dining hall of the barge could accommodate 200 people to repast at the same time. The professional chef team is under strict screening and possesses abundant offshore work experience together with fair English communication skills. It could provide delicacies for personnel on board through scientific diet planning. The kitchen is equipped with refrigerators in ultra-large capacity for vegetable, meat, and fish respectively, and warehouse for dry goods. It could provide fresh food for the crew for nearly 100 days. Modernized washing, drying, and ironing devices are available in the laundry area, and a professional service team could ensure the at-sea laundry to be quick and thoughtful. To deal with the sickness of the crew, the 601 barge has a 24-hour medical service station. CPP601 is also equipped with leisure activity rooms such as projection room, karaoke television room, gym and duty-free shop, etc. The rich varied entertainment and cultural facilities allow the staffs to relax, to be energetic, and to keep positive attitude all the time. To make a good harnessing of the first pipeline barge of CPP, and to construct qualified marine pipeline projects, the 6th subsidiary of CPP has significantly enhanced scientific research and skill training, made intensive analytical research of marine charting and the seabed geological research, and organized a large scale of practice on CRC automatic welding and the anchoring and positioning of the barge for workers in the construction. Under the joint efforts of all aspects, the research and skill training has made remarkable achievements. The 6th subsidiary of CPP is fully confident about the missions on shoulder. In future constructions, relying on scientific organizing and strict controlling. They will build high-qualified marine projects with all efforts and set up a glorious banner of the Marine Corps of China Petroleum Pipeline. The marine business of China is in development, and the CPP601 Pipeline Crane Barge of China Petroleum Pipeline is bearing the weight of good wish of CPP on marine business, all the way plowing through and courageously marching forward.